Crumbs is making funny sounds since I gave her medicine. I'm going to syringe some water in your mouth because maybe the medicine went down the wrong way. Poor girlie. She was doing a lot of wheezing before I started the video, that like trying to cough it up. Pretty face. Cranky though. Beautiful Mr. Crumbs. A few more weeks in a cage, honey, for your mess, and then you'll start to explore.